welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a field maintenance and preparing your paddocks and everything for the winter. I will show you everything that I do with my paddocks in order to make sure my ponies have got grass in the summer and then also got some nice fields in the winter too. One thing that's really important is to make sure that in the summer you sort of allow some parts of the field to rest so that when it comes to the winter time your horses have some grass. They don't need so much in the summer, so perhaps give them a lot less in the summer so that then they can have some for the winter where they sort of drop off and lose a bit of weight and condition if you're not careful. If you don't want to separate your fields with permanent fencing, it's always useful to have some electric fencing and posts, and then you can just use that to separate the fields. And I use an electric fencing unit just in case the horses want to escape. So here is a very cool drone preview of my boys' field. So as you can see, the bit on the right is their little field, and then where they are I've separated that with electric fencing to rest that top bit, and then they're in the middle bit, and then furthest to the left is another little field fenced off with electric fencing at the bottom. If you look closely you can sort of see the electric fencing, but I'll bring you up close and show you a preview of their fields whilst I'm in them. So this is their field down the bottom. Hello. Bye bye. You look very mucky, Cyril. Yeah, so that's their field down the bottom. Check that shut. Yep. And then this is the middle field. Middle field. Electric fencing separating their top little field. One thing that is really important to do before the winter comes is make sure you clean out your water trough. Here is the boys' water trough all cleaned out. I did tip it up and empty it and give it a scrub. You enjoying your grass, Cyril? Oh, hello. Where you gone? Oh, there you are. It's always good to keep on top of your poo picking when your horses are out in the paddocks, as leaving poo on the grass tends to kill the grass, so just pick it up as often as you can and then this will preserve your paddocks. Here I am doing a divine job at picking up some poo in the field. Now, just before winter is a good time to start preparing your gateways. You can do this by ideally getting some hardcore as much as you can right on the gateways, or you can also use rubber matting like we're doing here. We're just sort of making a track so that I can walk the horses on these mats to the next bit of the field rather than always walking on the actual grass or the mud. This then means that we sort of get a nice pathway, as it were. Fun fact, I used to have this electric up like that because Cyril used to jump this gate on the reg. He used to just stand there and just be like ping, and then out he was. But since I've got Eli, he's never tried it. He loves being in with Eli, so that is good. Also, we've got hardcore here in the gateway. Proper hardcore to make the gateways a bit nicer. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, it really helps. And then me, Cyril and Eli are looking forward to seeing you next time.
Bye.